Hey guys, Honor launched Honor Fast Smartphone 2024 Honor X50 GT in China market, and this is the first look hands-on image Honor X50 GT. The smartphone comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the smartphone display quality is too good. The smartphone comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with LPDDR5X 16GB of RAM up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0, and the phone running Android 13 with Magic OS 7.2. In the camera department, the phone comes with huge camera island on the back with two camera sensors, 108MP main sensor, 2MP depth sensor and 8MP selfie shooter, and the phone comes with beautiful two color black and white. One of the good side is the phone comes with 5800 mAh battery with 35W fast charger. The phone also comes with in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC. And the smartphone weighs just 192 grams. And the smartphone starting price is 1999 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. So let me know in the comment section your thought, and that's pretty much for today's video. And if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.